Good morning, students. How are you? I guess all of you are doing well. As we know, the entire world is passing through the pathetic conditions due to pandemic COVID-19. In this pathetic situation, we shall follow the instructions of government. We must not go outside. We must stay at home and need to prepare for the exams. Hope you people are doing the same. Children, through this video, I would like to share my views as well as need to discuss about the important concepts of first unit. In this session, we shall see the important concepts, question area, scheme of examination, and previous paper questions. Let us start the session. The topic is Indian relief features. Here, the important concept in this lesson is the examiner asked many times about Himalayas. This topic is covered for 4 marks, at the same time for 2 marks. The question area is Himalayas. He may ask the question in different manner. Example, influence of Himalayas on Indian agriculture. Explain. Himalayas play a vital role in India's development. And another form is Himalayas are boon to our country. In this way, the examiner may pose the questions. So, here the question area is same and the way of asking the question is different. We need to understand that the concept is same, the answer might be the same, but the introduction and the conclusion is dependent based on the question. So, we need to cover all the points like ranges of Himalayas, hill stations, perennial rivers, expansion of Himalayas, and fertile soil, source of rivers, influence on Indian climate, tourism, hydel power. These all are the concepts we need to discuss in the answer. As I told you, the introduction part as well as conclusion part is dependent upon the question. So, we can guess this concept, this area for 4 marks or 2 marks for sure. So, students, prepare well and perform well in the exam. Then after that, the second area is about physiographic divisions of our country. So, as we discussed in the classroom, 6 divisions are there. All those divisions like Himalayas, Indo-Gangetic Plains, Peninsular Plateau, Coastal Plains, Desert, Islands, these all are the 6 physiographic divisions of our country. Here, we must remember that this question, this area is given for 4 marks or 2 marks. Sometimes the examiner may frame a question for 4 marks or he may ask us to write any 2 physiographic divisions for 2 marks. So, concentrate on this and try to prepare the answer. Then another question area is differences between eastern coastal plain and western coastal plain. Another one is Indo-Gangetic Plains and its importance. So, in this unit, these are the 4 main areas where we can expect the question. After that, let us move to short answers and very short answers. Here, in which latitudes and longitudes our India is located and our Telangana is located? This is the question area for 1 mark or 2 marks. Then at the same time, Indian peninsula as well as definitions of latitudes and longitudes, classify the ranges of Himalayas, hill stations of Himalayas, hills of Shivalik range. These are the general concepts may ask us to write in the first 1 or 2 marks questions. So some concepts like dunes, examples of dunes like Dehradun, Potli Dune, and concept of Doab, and various structures like Terai, Babar, which exist in Himalayas. So these all are the various question areas for short answers and very short answers. When we refer the previous papers, we understand that one 4-mark question and one 2-mark question, 2 to 3 1-mark questions we have seen in previous papers. So out of 40 marks, 8 to 9 marks we can get from this unit. If you thoroughly read this lesson, if you thoroughly practice the question and answers, then we can easily score 8 to 9 marks in this lesson. Then next concept is, this is the table which is given in our textbook in second page. So time difference between one place to another place, from one state to another state. One example is given about Imphal and Ahmedabad. Just to go through this example, we can guess this kind of tables. Time difference between one place to another place. Just make a practice so that you can get good marks. Then map painting. When we talk about map painting, here different K2 Peak, Chota Nagpur Plateau, and various deserts. These areas are covered in this diagram. Then in another map painting, here we can see the various coastal areas, Utkal, then Coromandel coastal area, Sarkar coastal area, and Gujarat coastal area, Konkan, Canara. So these all are the various coastal areas which are covered, which are pointed out here in this map. This is also one of the important map which we have to refer once. Then this is the second. This is available in last page of our textbook. Just to go through this map here, which is the standard meridian in India. In this map we can easily find out that 82 degrees 30 eastern longitude is the standard meridian in India. That is clearly shown in the map. Standard meridian here, this one. Then 23 northern latitude moves from the center of India. This is called as Tropic of Cancer. Here, Tropic of Cancer. Then the distance between north and south tips is 3,214 kilometers. This one, 3,214 kilometers. Then the frontier countries of our India, like China, Bhutan, and Myanmar, Bangladesh, Nepal. So various countries are frontier boundaries. These all are the various important areas which we need to practice in map painting. So these all are the various question areas which we need to refer so that we can score good marks. It's a small attempt to meet you after a long time. So children, prepare all these question areas and refer the textbook twice and thrice so that you can get the complete subject knowledge on the first topic, that is Indian relief features. Hope you people got some idea. I guess you people have already prepared all these things, Once again go through